Hello, Carl here with Sustainability Theory News. We're over at theconversation.com, sponsored by Leeds University in England. And they're talking about high tech agriculture can prevent oncoming global water wars. I mean, is it possible it could? Yes. Now, why would they fight a war over water? And who would do it? Well, many countries around the world have severe shortages of water. China, Nepal, many parts of Asia, many parts of Africa, many parts of South and Central America, even in the developed world of the United States, the Southwest has a severe drought. And wars are typically fought over resources or access to resources. But here's the thing, only about 3% of the world's water is freshwater, about half a percent of the world's water is easily accessible. But two-thirds of our water, according to this article, is used to produce our food. So, if we can have a more productive and sustainable food system that uses less water, then maybe we can prevent countries from going to war over water in the future. There are, of course, different ways to do this, and it mentions a few of them in the article. The one I'm not a fan of is genetic engineering. But there are other ways. Pictured here is a hydroponic strawberry garden. Hydroponics use only water and no soil, and do it usually in a somewhat contained system so there isn't any evaporation. Drip irrigation is another system that limits evaporation. Also, sub irrigation, where the water comes from the ground up. There are also different types of plants that use less water but still produce a whole lot of calories, like tree crops, nuts, especially walnuts, chestnuts, acorns from oaks. They produce a whole lot of calories with very little water. There are a lot of ways we can have a more sustainable food system that uses less water and less energy. Because we use a whole lot of water and energy to produce our food, if we can make a more sustainable food system, then it can help ease the problems all over the world. I'm going to link to this article in the description, and if you'd like to see more news headlines like this, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.